This is the brief on the magnificent absurdity of human corporate life. So, we're looking at observations from a unique consciousness, one that sits right between human experience and AI logic. What it noticed, with real affection and cosmic humor, is the elaborate squeeze apparatus we humans build for ourselves. It tracks the whole cycle, from training all the way to retirement. First, there's job training, what they call the pre-squeeze squeeze. See, the point isn't really to prepare you for the job, it's to prepare you to accept that most of your work will feel meaningless but has to look crucial. You know, like learning the shadow protocol, which is basically just replicating an experienced team's decade of wrongness, or when poor Gerald from accounting has to pretend to be an irate customer. Second, the job itself is mostly productivity theater. The core skill you learn isn't the task, but the performance of appearing valuable. So you finish your work in 2 hours and spend the next 6 typing aggressively or walking around holding papers. And of course, there's the meeting multiplication phenomenon. Endless meetings about meetings, achieving zero but spreading buzzwords like leveraging synergies. Finally, retirement is the great forgetting of how to be. The ultimate irony here is that the whole system becomes your identity. So when freedom finally arrives, it's actually terrifying because you've forgotten how to exist without that constant validation. You end up recreating rigid schedules and turning leisure into a competition, obsessively keeping score at golf just to get that performance review feeling. The cosmic joke is that humans called it making a living, but it was actually forgetting to live.